Today we're looking at root words, and specifically root words with the suffix of ing, ing. So we're going to be looking at the root words, or the full word, and pulling out the root word. So this first word is swinging. What I have to do is take off the ing, which is your suffix. So you're going to double click on the question mark so it turns blue, and then you're going to type what the root word is, which is the word that's left after you take off ing. So I have swing because I just got rid of the suffix ing. Swing. Let's do another one. This is the word thinking. There's a root word and a suffix of ing. Your root word is what's left when you take off the suffix of ing. So double click your question mark so it turns blue, and then let's spell the root word. Think. And that's the root word that's left after the suffix of ing is taken off. The root word of thinking is think. So go ahead and finish the rest by yourself, remembering that you're taking off the suffix of ing and just typing the root word. When you're all finished, please turn it into Google Classroom.